Hello YouTubers, this is HB Maverick. Today we're in Cleveland National Forest and we're going to search for Kitchen Creek Falls. Kitchen Creek Falls is along PCH. We've had some rain this year, so hopefully we have some water. We'll take a look, and if everything goes good, we'll fly the drone there. Let's go. Beautiful desert scenery, desert mountain sceneries. We got a lot of rain this year, so it's for September it's a lot greener than it would be normally. Lots of bees out, other bugs. So far no biting flies, and seen a few lizards along the path. This is the Pacific Crest Trail. Goes all the way, the trail goes all the way from the border of Mexico to the mountains of California, Oregon, Washington, into the Canadian border. In the spring, you see a lot of people going up north, starting at the Mexican border, and then anytime this month through maybe October, we may run across people going the southern directions for the people that started at the Canadian border. I've come across several on different hikes up here in this area. I do a lot of day hikes along the Pacific Crest Trail. Taking a water break here in the shade. Got some nice shade. I think we've gone a mile and a half in 40 minutes. I think we have less than a half mile to go. Kitchen Creek waterfalls to the left. Main thing bad about this trail is I'm going downhill first. When I'm done at the falls, I gotta go back up, damn it. Okay, back up the steep hill. At least now it's a trail instead of rock climbing. Made it back to the Pacific Crest Trail. That was a doozy getting back up the hill. This should be a lot easier. Get back to the truck in another hour or so. All right. The trail's in the shade now, so a lot easier to walk, and it's not too steep. Nice trail. We'll be to the truck in 20 minutes. Good evening, YouTubers. It's HB Maverick. We're at Kitchen Creek Falls. It's a little bit windy here, but I think I'll fly the drone. We'll take a look right now. Let's go. Checking the wind speed now. 4.5, 5.1. Yep, should be good to go. All right, it's beer 30. Cheers to that. We got a 2-mile hike to go back to PCT, back to my truck. Had a great hike to Kitchen Creek Falls. Like this video, subscribe if you have not, and we will see you on the next adventure.
Absolutely. Oh yeah.
So, what's your names?
I'm Peebs.
Michelin.
Where are you from?
We're from Chicago.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah.
And you're going to do the whole PCT, right?
Try.
We're gonna try,
All
yeah.
right. Thanks.
Thank you,
Awesome.
Maverick.
Hey, happy
All right.
trails. Cheers,
Thank you
Maverick.
so much.